All right, so today we have another Amazon favorites, what to buy on Amazon, what you need in your life video. I have I've lost count. 2 or 3, 4 maybe other Amazon videos, so I'll link those down below. But I have a travel edition and then a couple others, so I really find these videos helpful. I love sharing the products with you guys, and in today's video I have some good finds, some super cute stuff. So if you're excited, you can give this video a thumbs up. Everything will be linked down below as I'm going through it all, but let's get into it. So the first thing is this black clock. It has super cute rose gold kind of trim on it. I love how it looks modern and clean, but it still works in like a boho kind of vibe. It's a good way if you have other black items, like you can see the little black watering can thing. It's a good way to kind of tie that stuff in. Maybe you have a black bed frame or a black desk or something. Okay, so next up is an item that is more, it's practical, but it's more of like a home decor kind of item, but it's also functional, you know? It's a plant mister, but how friggin' cute is this thing? It is obviously gold. So basically if you have any like succulents or plants that need misting, you can just give it a little spritz. I saw this at a plant shop when I was in Portland, and I'm pretty sure it was at least $50 in the plant shop, and I just thought in my head I could definitely find that cheaper somewhere else, and you can on Amazon. And it's something that's not super traditional as a decor item. Like, I don't see it everywhere yet, so I like that. It's a little bit more unique and super cute. So next up is a fashion item, and I usually find that clothes and purses and those kinds of things on Amazon can be kind of like hit or miss. A lot of the stuff I've tried as far as clothing is basically like similar stuff that you can find on Romwe or Zaful or those like cheaper sites. So definitely if you find something like a bathing suit or something, just look on the internet to see if you can find it cheaper somewhere else, because you might be able to. But this purse got good reviews and I am so happy with this. So it's a super cute tiny wicker purse with the black trim and then this gold buckle right here, and this feels like really nice quality. Like, it doesn't feel like a super cheapy purse. You can attach this strap right here to wear it crossbody, or if you wanted to, you could just hold it like this. It looks super summery and springy, and I love these kind of like wicker bags for this time of year. This would be really cute with like sunglasses and jean shorts or ripped denim, white denim, so many options. Just super cute, and it has a magnetic closure here so you don't have to actually undo, and then you also get a zipper and a smaller pocket on the inside. So super happy with this. Really glad I picked this up. So next up are these white plastic mason jar lids. So traditionally mason jars come with those lids that are really obnoxious. The inside thing like pops out. I hate screwing them on. I just find them to be kind of a pain in the butt. So you can get a ton of these plastic lids. I think these will last you for the rest of your life to use on your mason jars. I like using these for storing vegetables, for storing soup, for making smoothies. If you're someone who like pre-makes your smoothies or you do overnight oats or something, these are really great because they're glass, they're not plastic, and you can use these lids and it just makes it way easier. And they just look cute too with like the white lids on there. Just be aware that they don't fit all mason jars. This is like the standard lid, but if you have this straight up and down mason jar, like I have one of those and this lid doesn't fit that, so just look at the sizing. But if you have any kind of standard one, it should fit that. Any of the ones that go in, if it goes straight up, it probably won't fit it. Those ones are a little bit bigger. So I did a whole bathroom declutter / organization video. I had so many products in there that were just not organized at all, and I went through and got rid of a ton of stuff. So I'm gonna link that video in the eye and down below. I've had that set up for what, like a couple months now, and there are two things that I just love out of that setup. The first thing is this Lazy Susan turntable kind of thing. The thing I like about this is that this is technically, I think, for like spices or something, but I got it to use for my bathroom products, for my like most used ones. The thing that's really great about this is that if you have a ton of really tall bottles, instead of having to kind of like push through everything and then they fall over and it turns into this thing, you can just spin it and pull out the product that you want. So I typically keep my like mouthwash, body lotion, hairspray, any of that kind of stuff that I use on a daily basis. It's just so easy to turn it, and you could use this in your kitchen or your bathroom, or even like makeup products if you have foundation or something that you wanted to keep on there, or setting sprays, any kind of bottled products, you could also use it for that. And then the other thing from that bathroom organization video that I love are these, I think they're called Bino, probably Bino, storage bins. I love the look of them. I love how they're just clean and white, and I show you guys how I did this in that video if you want to check it out. But they have different sizes of these. I have two ones on the top that have my bigger stuff, like I think I have self tanners and then a hair bin or something with like shampoo and conditioner, and then I have these smaller sizes as well. They're nice and light, but they're still sturdy. They're not like you know, gonna collapse or anything. And you can put a ton of products in these. Next up is a product that I've mentioned a lot because I've had it for years now, but they still make it and it's still on Amazon. That's where I originally got it. It's my jewelry stand. I have this gold 3-tiered jewelry stand. Whenever I show it on Instagram or in Instagram stories or anything, I get so many DMs about where I got it. So I figured I would mention it in this video for you guys. I think it also comes in white and silver. So if you have more of like a silver theme going on, you could do that. And it holds a lot of stuff. I put all of my hoop earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and then I kind of keep the rings just on the bottom. It could definitely be like more organized, but I haven't reorganized it in a while. I do need to kind of go through my jewelry and reorganize stuff, but this is its current state. So if you're looking for a cute jewelry rack organizer thing, definitely recommend that one. Like I said, I've had it for years. It also hasn't turned colors, which is great. The gold has stayed gold. So in the shot with the clock, you probably saw the hanging plant thing. So those are macrame hanging plot. What am I trying to say? Hanging plant holders. It comes in a set of 3. I only have 1 hung up because I held 2 up on the wall and it felt like it was a little bit too much. The reason why I went with this one over some other ones on Amazon were because this one you could actually hang flat on the wall. A lot of them they make with the other kind of hang where you have to hook it onto the ceiling. This one has a few different styles. For getting 3 for that price, it was super cheap. So next up are these really cute patterned silk, whatever you want to use it for. I have a few different ideas for what I'm using these for. The main reason I got this was because when I got my hair done with Christy, she put this little tie in my hair. I'll pop in the picture here, and it looked so cute, and I've never worn these like that, but she basically just folded it over and then tied it and did like a half up, half down thing, and it looks super cute when your hair is curled. First one I picked up is this pink peachy one. I'm wearing a lot of pink today. I'm not usually this pink. Usually I'm more of like a black and white kind of gal, but I have a lot of color happening. It reminds me of like the Too Faced peach collection, even though these are not peaches, these are pink lemons. I'm just realizing. What I'm also going to use this for, this is such a 2019 statement here, is an Instagram backdrop for like a flat lay and then styling product around it and stuff. I just thought that would look really cute for the summer and spring. Okay, so this one's a little random. I cut my boyfriend's hair. I've been doing it for about 6 months now. At first he didn't trust me at all. Had to prove my worth, but we made it. I basically watched a YouTube tutorial and then figured it out, and now I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I'm pretty good at it. But I tried 2 different scissors before I found these ones, and these are the best. I got these off of Amazon, obviously. I wanted to include this because I feel like a lot of guys cut their own hair. Like my dad has cut his hair for years, or if you're a girl and you cut your own hair, that's actually something I want to try next time. I don't know, I went down this whole hair cutting tutorial hole on YouTube, and I think I can do it. I think I could cut my own hair, so maybe that's coming in a future video. But basically, these are the best scissors I found so far where they're still affordable. Scissors, like barber scissors, can get pricey. These ones are affordable, but they're still super sharp. Some scissors, you cut it and it just like pushes the hair. These ones, you cut it and it keeps the hair where it is and it just cuts it. I literally cut his hair in like a half of the time once we switched over to these scissors. So if you need these, they're great. Next up, moving on into the kitchen, I have this pan slash, I use it as like a pan cutting board organizer. Okay, so basically this is a lot more organized than it was before. I just had everything like stacked on top of each other. Here's a couple pans that I usually use, and then I have my 2 cutting boards right here. You could put whatever you want. You could take out one of the things so that you could fit like a bigger pot in there, a different pan, or you can also lean it vertical and then stack them that way, but just based on, you know, the size of this, I couldn't do that. But super helpful for just organizing, and so you don't have to pull out the entire stack every time you want to use a pan. I don't know, if you're a weakling like me, trying to get the pan out of the middle and like holding 2 stacks of heavy pans is just always a thing. So this just makes it so much easier because you can stack them up, so you just slide it out when you want it. I feel like I've never seen that before. I just came across it on Amazon. I thought it was super helpful. Then I have this, which it's a little bit hard to show, but I'm going to pop in the Amazon picture too so you can kind of see, or I'll pop in the Instagram photo that I wore this in. But I got a few questions about what this was when I was wearing it, and it's basically like a super cute floral silk kimono kind of robe. I wanted to mention this because if you're looking for bridesmaid robes and you have like a summer wedding or something, they also have tons of different colors in this. This would be so cute for like getting ready photos, or if you just want a really cute robe to get ready in or whatever. They have plain ones, they have floral ones. I just really loved the colors in this one. And then last item is this swimsuit. I haven't washed this yet, hence the still, you know, tags and stuff on it, but I have tried it on and I wanted to share with you guys because summer is coming up, and if you're looking for an affordable swimsuit that feels like nice quality. I got this based off the reviews because they had really good reviews, and the photos of people wearing this, it just looked like really flattering. So here's the top. It comes in tons of different colors. I love this kind of like sports bra top, and the bottoms, when I got this in the mail, I was kind of like, what have I done? Here's what they look like, but they sit really cute. The top is pretty tight, so if that bothers you, then don't get this. And obviously it just depends on your body type and how it's gonna look on, but just check out the reviews and check out the photos because maybe it'll give you a better idea. Here's what the back looks like. So it's not like super full coverage on the butt, but it's also not like, you know, a thong situation. So that was all of my Amazon recommendations this time around. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'll have everything linked down below in the description box. For those of you who care about makeup, I'm going to quickly tell you what's on my face today. For eyeshadow and for bronzer, I use this new NARS palette. This is the Summer Lights. The bronzer looks like it's going to be really cool toned in the pan, and I want to keep playing around with this because I'm not quite sure how I feel about it yet, but I did really like how it went on. I used this eyeshadow, this lipstick shade I have been obsessed with. This is the CoverGirl liquid lipstick in the shade 900. Lashes were Rude Cosmetics Audacious. And highlights the Flower Beauty Trio again. And I also have that a little bit on my inner corner. And then my blush was from this Pacifica thing. I'll also have all my makeup down below, outfit details, earrings, nail polish, everything is always down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up. Again, I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.